Wonder what I'm gonna do today. It looks like work. Yeah, it looks like work. Oh! Look at all these doors. No hinges on them, no doorknobs on them, no nothing. And see, this is how my doors look after I got them all painted and I brought them up here. I'm getting ready to put them in. And it's like, which door goes where? How on earth do I know which door goes where? Well, I was smart. I made a little list here and I numbered them all. Here, master bath was number 1, master closet number 2, master bedroom number 3, guest bath, and so forth and so on. And so when I go over here, this is the guest room, and I need to put a door on here. And I'm going to do that one next. Momi's been complaining that this room gets kind of cold. She swears that there's no insulation underneath this floor because the garage ceiling is underneath here. I'm pretty sure there's insulation in there, and I've also told her there's a heat register right here, and when we turn the heater on, the heat comes out of this nice and toasty. And I told her, I says, because there's no door on here, because the heat's down low, it comes up and then it's going to travel this way. And this area here is almost like a suction tube, and it sucks the hot air right out of that room into this wide open area. Okay? And I told her, once we put this door on here, this room is going to stay warmer that much more. And I also told her, before, I don't know if you saw or not, we had just a light up here. We're going to end up putting a ceiling fan with a light on there that's going to be controlled by a light switch over here, and it's going to be the handheld remote control. And I said, in the winter, you got your heater on over there, we can turn the ceiling fan the opposite direction, turn it the opposite direction, and it takes your heat as it's coming up